Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gab. We're talk about personal finance and investing. Before we start the video, I just want to let you guys know that I am not a certified financial advisor. I do these videos for educational and informational purposes only. So take it with a grain of salt, but whatever I mention and discuss in this video, just make your own decision. So let's get right into it. So from my last past videos, I made a video about my M1 portfolio. If you want to see that, it's gonna be on top. But basically that video talks about and goes over the M1 portfolio gains and returns I've had recently after I started my M1 portfolio account in around January March timeframe of 2020. So I made a review and actually went over the gains that I've had ever since several months after I got my M1. So today is November the 9th November 2021. It's been 2 years, and we're gonna go over the same portfolio and we're gonna go review the gains. So I have M1 pulled up here. So my portfolio right now, right? I don't mean to flex. So I'm using my M1 M1 portfolio finance. I just want to show you guys the power of investing and especially passive investing. So all right, overview, right? So I in my portfolio account I have 38,589 and 17 cents. So all in a year, I've gained 15,581 and 6 cents. That's 69.41% gain. All right, so let's go over the review here with the graph. So as you can see, I have the graph, just the slope is just uptrend, which is good because as you all know, the stock market is at all-time high. It keeps going up, so we're in a bull market run right now. So is it best time to invest, or do you want to wait, or what's your strategy? So for me, my strategy is just passive investing. So what I do is every time I get money or from my salary, I put money in, and that's monthly, right? So it's called dollar cost average. So every month I set aside a certain budget or percentage of my salary, and that just goes to my investments. And it's fire and forget. That's my strategy, and this is the reason why my portfolio, my M1 portfolio finance, financial investment, is doing well. Anyways, okay, so going back to the graph here, so the time range is a year, so 11/9/2020 to 11/9/2021. So as you can see, if you want to review current value right now, the starting value as of November 10, 2020 is 21,551 and 39 cents, with a net cash flow of 1,135 and 17 cents. So ever since then, it's been a year. The market gain that I've gained, then the profit that I've gained is unrealized profit that I've gained is $15,302 and 61 cents. So the total gain it's 15,581 and 6 cents as mentioned. Market gain, that's 15,000, and earned dividends is $278 and 45 cents. And talking about the dividends, the reason why I started my M1 finance portfolio is because one, when I want to be financially independent or just be happy with life after I hit my financial independent retire early number of roughly around $1 million in today's value. Anyway, so one of the intent that I have when I opened my M1 Finance account is to grow my portfolio, my investments. Also, I bought stocks, equities that pay dividends. So if you want to see a video of that, of the stocks that I bought that pays dividends, I can make a video of that on a separate video. But today we're just gonna go over the total gains, the total returns of my M1 finance portfolio over a 1 year time frame. So total return, going back to the slide here, so total return is 69.41%, and stats, historical performance. I have 64 stocks here, or equities. Expenses is 0.03%, and a dividend yield of 2.16%. So M1 Finance, if you're watching this, your text, actually that stat right here, that stat information wasn't there last year, and thank you for adding that, because it's pain in the butt, or it's challenging to calculate the dividend yield using Excel sheet. It's easy once you have your graph and format and formulas created. But if you're starting out and you want to get calculate your dividend yield with X amount of stocks, it's gonna be a while. It's easier with the stats readily available for the investor now. So M1 Finance, if you're watching this, thank you with the adding the stats information on there. So overall, over a year, I'm happy with $15,000 in gain. Mainly, this portfolio has all the technology stocks, and such as Tesla, Apple, Microsoft. If you have any questions about investing, comment down below. Again, this is for educational and informational purposes only. I don't meant to, I'm not flexing here. I'm just giving you guys advice on how to invest, which is, this is a passive investing, dollar cost average, and set aside money for your investments monthly. Yeah, I'm super happy. As you can see, there's a dip there because my portfolio is mainly geared toward Tesla and other tech stocks. But in my word, no, I'll keep adding and buying stocks that I already have here, which is the stocks that I talk about. So if you have any questions, comment down below. Let me know your strategies. Share your strategies. Comment down below. Again, educational purposes only. Take it with a grain of salt. Make your own decision. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.